Hello everyone. Today I want to show you our newest FFU. The size is 575 285 mm, providing a compact and space-efficient solution. Including a H14 Hepa filter, it effectively removes particles as small as 0.3 microns. And the clamps make the filter and the body more firmly integrated. Adjustable airspeed ranging from 0.45 to 0.75 meters per second, allowing for optimal airflow control. Operating at a noise level of 52 to 58 dB plus or minus 5 dB, it ensures a quiet and comfortable working environment. Constructed with coated cold steel-plated material, providing durability and resistance to corrosion. It's an ideal solution for maintaining a clean and controlled environment in various applications, including laboratories, cleanrooms, and other sensitive areas. Thank you for watching. Feel free to contact me if you're interested in learning more.